and also for those who are campaigning for them. There are two things, no? Misinformation and also disinformation. What's the difference between the two? When you say misinformation, the information is there, but there is an error. Okay? When you say disinformation, it is not real, and there is really an intention to provide the wrong information. Yeah, fake news, okay? Fake news. That is disinformation. There is an intention to distribute that. And like yung misinformation, mali ka lang, di ba? Kanyari, sinabi ko. Mga kababayan, nandito po ngayon tayo sa Sitio Malabon at nakita po natin ito pong isang puting truck na may plate number na NBR 1234. Eh, mali pala yun. Hindi pala puting truck. It's a white van with the plate number NBR 1243. So, misinformation. Okay? It happened, it's real, but the people were misinformed because of some erroneous facts. Disinformation. Mga kababayan, nandito po tayo sa Sitio Lumban ng Tarlac. At nasa harapan po natin ang mayora na nagpag-aari ng isang napakalaking piggery farm. O hog farm. Eh wala namang hog farm. Plain farm. Tapos na si mayora. So that is disinformation. Because you know that it's entirely wrong. Okay, but then you're trying to make it appear to be real. In a different form. Okay? Right? Use of AI. Ito ang pinaka-importante ngayon, ano? Okay? Wala ang Philippines dito sa survey. Okay? AI will play a big role in coming elections. Nakakita niyo ba yung mga yung deep fake? Remember that the AI now can generate deep fakes. So it's as if somebody said that. So during election, candidates can say, oh, look at my opponent, he said this. And then he will show a video of the opponent saying something bad. Diba? But that did not happen. It was generated by an AI. And it will be too easy now for the candidates to sow disinformation. Kasi sabihin nila, I will employ the use of chatbots and they will propagate information for me, okay, which might look real, and then distribute it to unsuspecting voters. Okay? And why is this dangerous? This is dangerous because from that point onward, nobody would know, okay, whether what they are hearing is correct or not. So kahit totoo na yung sinasabi ng isang kandidato, sinabi ng isang kandidato, ako ho ay nangangakulang sa inyo, na pag ako ay na-elect, hindi ko naman tutuparin ang mga pangako sa inyo. So totoo yung sinabi niya, no? But nobody would believe him. Pag napanood niya, hindi fake yan eh. Diba? If there is a fake video saying, I am your candidate, I will die for all of you. Right? But that is fake. It's AI generated. But would the voter believe that? Diba? So ikaw, unsuspecting voter, alin ang papaniwalaan ko dito? Alin ang totoo dito? That is the future. You wouldn't know which is real. You wouldn't know which is simply generated. Okay? Ito magiging problema natin. Okay? Hindi po yung bilangan. Marami po tayo, lalo na yung mga 15-year-old natin, no, na mga anak o mga apo, na number 2 from the bottom in terms of comprehension. Okay? Hindi niyo ba alam? Na 3 years from now, bobote yung mga yan.